everyone, it's Emma on Club Wyndham TV. It's time for Mocktails to Cocktails. Today's inspiration comes from coastal New South Wales with the strawberry orange mimosa. New South Wales is home to both of these fruits and of course a number of your club resorts. We have heard from many of you and you have said you use your apartment kitchens the most to make breakfast. And this drink serves as a great breakfast to brunch option. Here's what you need. 2 cups of your favourite orange juice, a half a cup of freshly cut strawberries, and add the bubbles with some mineral water. A 1 litre bottle makes about 6 mimosas. Let's get started. Blend the OJ and strawberries until mixed. Next, grab your glass and fill about halfway with the water. Add just enough of the strawberry orange mixture, not too much because you don't want it to overflow, and keep as much of the goodness in the glass as possible. And just like that, you have a mocktail strawberry orange mimosa. For the kicked up version, follow the same exact steps except replace the carbonated water with sparkling wine or champagne. And there you have it, a strawberry orange mimosa. I might actually start with the mocktail version today. Cheers to you. If you have a recipe that flexes nicely from mocktail to cocktail, share them with us on social using the Wyndham Holidays hashtag.